Have you ever pondered about the story behind the price of palladium on the stock exchange? This precious metal, often overshadowed by its more famous siblings like gold and silver, holds a unique position in the global market. From being a mere byproduct in the mining process to becoming one of the most sought-after commodities, palladium has a tale to tell. It's not just about numbers and charts. It's about innovation, industry, and global economic trends. The journey of palladium is more fascinating than you might think. The story of palladium begins under the Earth's crust. Here in the dark and complex labyrinth of mines, the extraction process takes place. Palladium is primarily mined in two countries, Russia and South Africa. These two giants are responsible for over 3/4 of the world's palladium production. Imagine this. Russia, with its vast Norilsk nickel mines, is the top producer, contributing to 40% of the global palladium output. South Africa follows closely, with its platinum group metals mines producing almost as much. Mining palladium is no small feat. It's a meticulous process that involves drilling, blasting, and hauling the ore to a processing facility. Here, through a series of chemical reactions, palladium is separated from the other metals. But it's not just about sheer quantity. The quality of palladium also matters, as it directly affects its market value. Once mined, the journey of palladium is far from over. Its real adventure starts when it enters the global markets, where its price is influenced by a myriad of factors. Ever wondered what causes the fluctuating price of palladium on the stock exchange? Well, various factors can influence this, and today we'll delve into some of them. First and foremost, the law of supply and demand is a key driver. When the demand for palladium outstrips the supply, the price tends to ascend, and when the supply overshadows the demand, the price falls. As palladium is a mined resource, any disruption to mining operations can significantly affect the supply, thereby impacting the price. Political stability also plays a crucial role. Since the majority of palladium is mined in regions like Russia and South Africa, any political unrest in these areas can cause a supply hitch, leading to price volatility. Economic stability is another significant factor. In periods of economic boom, industries that use palladium, such as the automotive and electronic sectors, may see a surge in demand, driving up the price. Conversely, during economic downturns, demand may dwindle, causing a price decline. There's also the influence of speculators. These are market participants who buy and sell palladium with the aim of profiting from price fluctuations. Their actions can sometimes lead to dramatic swings in the price of palladium. Lastly, changes in technology can affect the demand for palladium. If a new technology emerges that requires palladium, or if an alternative to palladium is developed, this can significantly impact the price. Understanding these factors can give insight into the palladium's price roller coaster. Palladium's journey doesn't end at the stock exchange. This lustrous silvery white metal does more than just add numbers to your portfolio. It's a crucial component in catalytic converters, the devices in your car that control exhaust emissions, making our roads cleaner and our air more breathable. It's also used in electronics, dentistry, and even jewelry, making it an integral part of our modern world. The price of palladium has seen some dramatic ups and downs over the years. One of the most significant was in early 2020, when prices skyrocketed to over $2,500 an ounce, only to plummet by nearly half in the following weeks due to the pandemic's impact. These fluctuations aren't just numbers, they ripple through our economies, affecting industries from automotive to electronics, and even the air we breathe. The journey of palladium is a cycle influenced by myriad factors. The story of palladium is a testament to the interconnectedness of our global economy. We've traveled a fascinating journey today, from the deep mines where palladium is unearthed, to the trading floors where its price fluctuates with the ebb and flow of supply and demand. We've seen how different nations contribute to its production, and how its value is impacted by myriad factors, from industrial use to geopolitical events. This precious metal, silvery white and lustrous, touches our lives in more ways than we may realize. Its story is a microcosm of the larger narrative of our global financial system, a system that is complex, dynamic, and ever-evolving. So what other exchange instruments pique your curiosity? What other stories lie hidden in the numbers and charts of the stock market? Share your thoughts in the comments. Remember to subscribe to the Profit Speak channel and like this video. Keep the conversation going, and together we can unravel more fascinating stories from the world of finance.